नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? आई एम बैक अगेन फॉर अ क्विक एंड शॉर्ट लेसन जस्ट बिफोर माय डिनर. टुडे इज 7th of October 2020. दैट इज आज 7 अक्टूबर 2020 है. एंड राइट नाउ इट इज 10 PM और अभी रात के 10 बज रहे हैं. And today we are going to learn the possessives for the third person, that is the possessives for ye and wo. What are the possessives of ye and wo? Iska and uska. So get ready for today's lesson. Here we go. In English, for the third person, we have three pronouns: he, she and it, and their possessives are his, her and its. In Hindi, we have two pronouns for third person singular, that is ye and wo. And for ye and wo, the possessives are iska, iske, iski, and uska, uske, uski. Now we have already learned when a possessive ends with a, or e. So in this lesson, I'm jumping directly to the examples. Just have a look at our first example. ये मेरा कुत्ता है. ये मेरा कुत्ता है. इसका नाम धवल है. नाम masculine, इसका masculine. इसका नाम धवल है. इसके बाल सफेद हैं. इसके बाल सफेद हैं. Its hair is white. Now in English, the noun hair is always singular, but in Hindi we use the word baal as plural too. That's why I have used hain. इसके बाल सफेद हैं. And at last, इसकी आंखें भूरी हैं. Its eyes are brown. ये मेरा कुत्ता है. इसका नाम धवल है. इसके बाल सफेद हैं और इसकी आंखें भूरी हैं. Is it correct? This is my dog. Its name is Dhaval. Its hair is white and its eyes are brown. Now the next example is वो मेरी बिल्ली है. उसका नाम सुनहरी है. उसके बाल सुनहरे हैं. सुनहरे means golden. So its hair is golden. और उसकी आंखें हरी हैं. You can clearly see whether I am talking about a kutta, that is a male noun, or I am talking about a billi, that is a female noun. The ka, ke and ki does not depend upon this, rather depend upon the noun that is followed. With naam we have used iska and uska because naam is a masculine noun. With baal we have used uske and iske because baal is masculine plural. And with aankhein we have used iski and uski because aankhein is feminine. I think that is clear. Let's have a look at the next example. मेरी दोस्त का नाम पायल है. My friend's name is Payal. उसके दो भाई हैं और एक बहन है. Or we can combine the sentence, उसके दो भाई और एक बहन है. ठीक है. मेरी दोस्त का नाम पायल है. उसके दो भाई और एक बहन है. एंड एट लास्ट, उसका एक पालतू खरगोश भी है. उसका एक पालतू खरगोश भी है. पालतू खरगोश मीन्स पेट रैबिट. जिसका नाम मोती है. Whose name is Moti. She also has a pet rabbit whose name is Moti. मोती बहुत चंचल है. मोती बहुत चंचल है. चंचल means playful. The pet मोती is very playful. So मेरी दोस्त का नाम पायल है. उसके दो भाई और एक बहन है. उसका एक पालतू खरगोश भी है जिसका नाम मोती है. मोती बहुत चंचल है. मोती is very playful. Here I finished this short lesson. I hope it was useful. Before ending the lesson, I would like to tell you one important thing. For example, you are chatting with a friend and you send a photo and you want to introduce the person to the other person you are chatting to. You will use ye. ये मेरा दोस्त है. इसका नाम राकेश है. Why? Because that photo is right in front of the other person. The other person can see it, it's close to it. But for example, you are introducing to someone whose photo or the person is far away. For example, you go to your friend's house and there is a photo on the wall and you will ask wo kaun hai. You won't say ye kaun hai. Okay, if you are standing beside the wall, you can ask ye kaun hai. If the photo is right here, if the photo is on some other wall, you have to ask wo kaun hai. Again, if there is no photo, you are just talking about a friend who is not here. For example, राकेश मेरा दोस्त है, वो कानपुर में रहता है, उसके परिवार में 4 लोग हैं, उसके बड़े भाई बेंगलोर में रहते हैं, उसके माता पिता कानपुर में ही रहते हैं. ठीक है? So in this case, the friend or the person that you are mentioning is not here. In such a case, we will use wo. Now next comes a short exercise. Please do the exercise. Practice gives you opportunity of making mistakes, and comment your answers in the comment box below. I'll correct your errors. This way you will also improve your Hindi. So keep learning and keep enjoying. अब मैं चलता हूँ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्ते.